Hello, I am being creative today. I am making 3 eye looks, and I want you to tell me which one you like the best. Where's the palette? Oh goody, she has the palette. I need the brushes. Where are my brushes? Hold on a second. Here's the brushes. Oh goody. Well, I guess she's armed and dangerous? She's in the creative mode. Let's see what she comes up with. For her first look, Fatima used these 3 shades. This one, followed by this one, and then blended them together to soften the edges, and then a good dollop of this one right there. She feels this has a bit of a sunset type look. For her next look, Fatima added more of this shade and then a healthy dollop of this right in through here and blended it in to give it that bit of bling that she does like. And for this look, Miss Fatima utilized this once again under the eyebrow, followed by this underneath, followed by this shade around and in the outer corner, followed then by this shade, both on the outside and the inside, and then a healthy dollop of this shade right in the middle, blending the 2 in together to achieve a bit of a purple shade. That was fun. I'm exhausted, but that was fun. Fatima did notice that there was a fair amount of palette poof floating around as she worked with that palette. And the other thing we noticed is that the blue shadow does leave a stain. That is unfortunate. We were not expecting that. So always remember to use a primer on your eyelids. Comment below as to which one you liked, and like and subscribe to our channel because we have lots of fun adventures over here. And we hope to see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.